after the habagat, we saw Manila Bay. At nakita natin, katakot-takot na basura na lumulutang sa Manila Bay. And those things clog up our drainages. It's unsanitary. It's also unhealthy for our communities. So one of the things that we will be pushing in the Senate is the promotion and establishment of waste-to-energy technology. It will establish a clear regulatory framework that acts as both a waste management solution and an additional source of energy. This eases the burden from our landfills while complying with strict environmental and public health safeguards. Right now, waste management is devolved to our local government units, but under this bill, we will have a shared responsibility with national government and local government in waste management so that we can make waste-to-energy projects viable.